Hey guys, welcome back to another Sparkle adventure. This video is the third and final in the series on putting together the sticker book you see here. Part 1 was putting it together, part 2 was adding a cover, and then in this video I'll be showing you how I added tabs so I can go and find the exact sticker I'm looking for without having to flip through it. This video picks up right where the last one left off, so let's jump right into it. As for acetate, I'm going to use these transparency sheets. It's just called transparency film. I got it, I think, at like Office Depot, Office Max, one of those two. I'm just going to get a few sheets out. Now this is pretty, it's definitely not as sturdy as the acetate that we're used to. It's pretty flimsy, but it will do the job. Okay, so what I think I want to do is essentially make it 4x6, the same size as these sheets, but I'll just cut out a tab. And this is the tab punch board I'm going to use. This is from We Are Memory Keepers. I saw this being used in Michael's class that I took. So I'm just going to see what the depth of the tab is so I know how much width to add to the sheet. It is between 1/2 and 3/4. So I will add, I don't know, 1/2 inch. Okay. So that means we need 4.5 inches. Or should I do, I'm going to do 4 3/4. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these sheets down. I need one for samplers, characters, coffee, icons, boxes, and something else, I think. But I might just I don't know. I always have a hard time with spacing out tabs. So I'm just going to try my best. First things first, let's cut the paper down to size. Okay, so let's start with making the tabs. I'm hoping that this punch will be able to cut out this acetate, but we'll see. So the way it works is this little doodad goes in these holes if you want to make a left-sided tab. So this being the first one, this is going to be a left tab. So I'm just going to go in and try to punch it. Wish me luck. As you can see, that didn't work, and it has jammed my tab punch. Oh, and I'll say too, the reason this looks so gross on the back, that is from burning candles. So I no longer burn candles in my office or in my house at all. I use a wax burner. So all of my existing candles, I'm going to go and melt the wax down, take the wick out, and turn them into wax melts. Comment down below and let me know if that's a tutorial you want me to show you after I figure it out. But that way I can still use all my existing candles and they don't do this to my stuff and my lungs. Okay, so what I might have to do, let me think about this. Okay, so this sticker book from Happy Planner has some tabs on it. So what I might do is just simply okay, let's just do one. Let's grab this one to start because it's cute. Why not? And there's a ton of different ways you can make tabs. This might be the least crafty way. This is me just kind of hacking at this point because I did not prepare well. And I'm just not willing to buy tabs for this sticker storage book. Okay, so I'm just going to try to lay it down as close to the edge and line it up well. Now we're just gonna fold it over. It wasn't folded perfectly, but now I'm just gonna, let's trim it the length of this down. really quick here. This is editing Michelle here. Well, I actually just finished the project, but I wanted to give you a quick tip. When you are going to add your tabs and then cut out the excess, this isn't a good example. Let me grab another one. Okay, so like with this one. So you put your tab on there, you cut by hand, you fussy cut around the curved parts, and then in order to cut off the excess that was going to run there and there, you know, put it on your paper trimmer, but make sure, be careful that you don't run your blade. I'm going to pick it up so I don't do it. You don't run it all the way down, because if you do, you'll cut this tab off. So what I did was I started essentially where the tab ends and cut up, and then I pick up the blade, I set it down, and then I put it to where the tab starts this way, and then I cut it this way. Again, you want to make sure you don't cut straight across, because you will cut your tab off. Okay, back to the project. Now that's actually not so bad. Again, this is a DIY that I'm just kind of figuring out on the fly. That rhymed. I might make, nope. I need to just stop while I'm mad. So, okay, cool. That worked. I need to cut out another, well, let me see how many sections I have. So I know, again, I've got samplers. Okay, samplers, characters, it's mallow, icons, coffee and food. And those are like icons, functionals. Wait, well then what was that? Oh, coffee, right? Did I say that already? Oh my gosh, I'm losing my mind. Okay, samplers, characters. What's the difference between icons and functional? Are those the same? Icons. I'm just going to move those other ones up to the front here. Okay, coffee, food. Coffee and food is one. These are icons, so those will just get moved to where those other icons work, so it's confusing me. Boxes, so that's 5. Planning is 6. And Disney will make 7. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to go and make 7 tabs. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've got 12 on here. That is perfect. So here we go. Here's some montage music, and I'm going to make these, and I'll probably do a jump cut because you saw me make this one. There's kind of no need to watch me make 6 more. Wish me luck. Okay, so here you can see we have the finished product. Again, I need to do a back cover, and I'm probably, whenever I make the back cover, I'll switch over the discs to a larger size. These are the small ones for the mini Happy Planner. Luckily, I have some of the larger discs on hand. I just need to switch it over. But for a quick flip through, we've got our cover, we've got samplers, which are all here, our character sheets, coffee and food, boxes, planning, Disney, and icons. As you can see, I have a ton of stickers that still need to be added to the system. These are stickers from shops that I've purchased from or swapped with, so that's all there. And if you want to know where I got these tabs, they came from the Brights book from Happy Planner. Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. You'll see this project evolve as I change out the tabs and do other things. And I am at Sparkle Adventures. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.